Hey guys, and how's it going on? So if you want to also customize your sale badge and simply change its color, font, or whatever, then you can simply follow this video till the end. You can see I have currently added this red color to my sale badge, and this took actually pretty matching to my poster. So how you can do this too, simply head over to your admin panel and from there to themes, just like that. And here you need to click on to these three dots and click on edit code. Now once you're on the code editor, you need to be searching in here for a specific folder called assets, and drop down that you have base.css. Now it's time to simply paste over here the code that I am going to be providing you, and this is the code. So it starts with some comments. So this is the sale badge full color. You can change the colors to anything that you like, and once you click on save, you should be able to see the changes applied onto your store. So you can refresh if you cannot see, and this is how simple it is to add colors to your sale badge.